I have a Dacor oven CPS127. The display has gone dim and research tells me I need to replace the board. Looks like the part is no longer available. I need to know how to remove the board.
What's the make and model of your oven? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
It is Dacor model CPS127S and it is about 15 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible, yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I found a new board on eBay. Is it possible to contact Dacor directly to see if they have the part? No one locally has it.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question.
Will do. TX.
The display dimming out means that your display board capacitors are going out of range. The entire display board would need to be replaced if you wanted to fix the display board. The part is no longer made as you said, so if you wanted to fix the display board, you can send the old board to CoreyCentricSolutions.com and they should be able to refurbish the board for about $200 and it'll take about 2 weeks or so. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thanks Tyler for the info. I'll contact CoreyCentric Solutions to repair the board. Yes, you earned your 5 stars. Thanks.
No problem and good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.